Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I want to tell you about getting up and running very quickly, selling on either eBay or Amazon without having to worry about waiting weeks and weeks for your stuff to be ready. So before we get started, please consider clicking the subscribe button down below and hitting the bell notification so you know when I bring out new videos. I bring out new videos every day at 6 p.m. GMT. So let's get right into it. So this video I'm going to want to tell you how you can get started selling on Amazon or selling on eBay without having to go to Alibaba and speaking to a supplier and creating a brand and waiting a couple of weeks for your stuff to come and then doing samples. That is if you want to set up a legit, proper business. But if you're looking to make a bit of money before that, just to get into this world, then I recommend using a website called dhgate.com. And that website is very similar to Alibaba. The stuff is still coming from China. It's still rather cheap. You can still buy it in bulk. The only difference is shipping on a lot of the stuff, not all of the stuff, but a lot of the stuff, and I would be showing you this on my computer now, but my internet's not working, so it will just have to be screenshots. But a lot of the stuff has free shipping, very fast free shipping, like 3 to 5 days free shipping. So you can find a product, doing product research or whatever you do, leading up to Christmas or leading up to whatever it is. Then you can just go on DHgate, you can find that product, you can find a good one that has good reviews, create an order, don't have to speak to anyone, just create an order, get it sent to you, done. You can then send that to Amazon, or you can just list it on Amazon and send it yourself, so fulfilled by merchant, not fulfilled by Amazon. Or you can list the stuff on eBay and sell it that way. This is a really quick way to get started. The only negative probably would be that DHgate isn't the cheapest. It can still be quite expensive to source these products. It is good though, the more products you source, you'll see it will say if you source 1 to 3 it's this price, 3 to 10 this price, whatever it is. But the more you source, the cheaper it gets. And it's just very useful because you can just quickly make an order. You don't have to speak to anyone. You don't have to wait weeks and weeks for it to be made. The only thing you have to understand is it is a bit more expensive. It will be generic stuff, so there won't be your logo will not be on this, and it's very fast. So now the only thing is, if you do want to take DHgate more seriously, you can actually contact the supplier and get them to private label your product, put it in custom packaging, do all that sort of things. That's if you're getting more serious with the business. I'm just talking about someone who is looking to start up, make quick money so that they can then go and invest in a course or whatever they want to do, invest in stock to actually create a scalable and a sustainable Amazon or eBay business. So that's just a cool way to make a bit of extra money a month. You can easily make a couple of grand extra a month by doing this. And yeah, it's very easy. So try it out, check out DHgate, it's an awesome website, and let me know in the comments below what you think. And thank you very much for watching this video. So I'll see you in tomorrow's video.